Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Classroom application on your Android device. Whether you are trying to download Google Classroom on your mobile device or your tablets, this process will guide you through the necessary steps. First of all, make sure that your phone or tablet is powered on and connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now locate Google Play Store and open it up. Go to the search icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. In the search bar at the top, type in Google Classroom or Classroom. Once you find this search results, look for this application that says Google Classroom from Google LLC and tap on the install button. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take us several minutes, and once it is done, tap on Open to open up Google Classroom application. Now you can go ahead and get started. Sign in with your Google account to start accessing classes, assignments, and announcements. And that's how you easily and successfully download and install Google Classroom on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.